Wait, please. I love this job.
Arthur, I need to know why you brought a gun into a kid's hospital.
It's a prop. It's part of my act now.
That's bullshit. Bullshit. What kind of clown carries a fucking gun? Besides, Randall told me you tried to buy a 38 off him last week.
Randall told you
You're a
that?
fuck-up, Arthur. And a liar. You're fired.
Telling you, she wanted my number. You should have just stayed.
You're dreaming, man. She wasn't interested at all.
Are you nuts? Did you see how close we were getting? She wasn't nuts. No, wait. Ryan, am I crazy? Tell him what you saw.
Hey, you want some french fries? Hello? Talking to you, hey.
No, thank you.
Sure. Really good.
Don't ignore him. He's being nice to you.
Is something funny, asshole?
Isn't it rich? Me here at last on the ground, and you in there, sending us clowns. Isn't it lit? Don't you approve? One who keeps tearing around and one who can move. Where are the clowns? There ought to be clowns. So, buddy, tell us what's so fucking funny.
I have a condition.
I'll tell you what you have, you asshole.
You got a kicker, huh?
Hey, hold it steady, steady. Stay down, freak.
Right there, next stop, Rogers Point.